Squad Mates! Happy Sunday sa inyo! It is a special day full of love. Dito lang sa number 1 online tambayan ng basa every Sunday. This is
I Want
Asa! Grabe!
Feel na feel ko yung like as in.
Yes, feel na feel ko yung energy kahit dalawa lang tayo dito ngayon, Sheena. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala, online squad mates, mga kasama pa natin si Edward. Mamaya, nagsi-celebrate lang siya ng Mother's Day ngayon. Kaya, happy Mother's Day. Una sa lahat sa mga kapamilya, mga kapatid, mga A to Z. Happy Mother's Day po sa inyong
Mother's
lahat.
Day!
Siyempre, sama-sama nating batiin ang bawat mommy, nanay, momsi, lahat-lahat na. Ito na ang araw, especially for you. Siyempre, you guys can use our official hashtag for today. Hashtag ASAPLoveMom. And I'm sure ang dami nag-message sa akin at dami nag-tweet din. Saan si Edward? Ba't wala si Edward dito? Hindi pwede siya yung OG natin. Siya yung OG natin sa I Want ASAP. Hindi pwede mawala. Mamaya makakasama natin si Edward. Okay?
Hahabol
Kasi
siya.
ayaw
Promise namin yun.
Ayaw niya ma-miss yung squadcast natin mamaya.
Yes. Kaya
Ayaw niya
naman,
i-miss yung squadcast natin.
for 1 minute, magsa-start ng ASAP natin to. E di magsa-start na din tayo dito sa I Want ASAP. And over here, on I Want ASAP, magsisimula na rin ang ating online concert treat.
And kasama naman natin ang isa pang promising young artist na versionan ang isang sikat na awitin ng iconic songwriter na si Mr. Benny Saturno. Ito, si Pintig. Let's give it up for Mia Hapson.
Yan, and there we have it. We have Mia Hobson in the house. Hello, Mia. Welcome to I Want ASAP. Batiin mo naman yung mga squad mates natin.
Hello everyone! I hope you guys enjoyed the video that played. I hope you guys can listen to it again and enjoy it.
Ang cute. Ang cute ni baby girl. Smiling siya. And speaking of the song nga, re-imagine mo yung cover of a song composed by Sir Benny Saturno, which is ang Pinteg. How was it? How was it reimagining some songs of Sir Benny Saturno, knowing na grabe si Sir about his songs?
Actually, nung pinakaunang pandinig ko po sa kanta, I was like, what kind of song is this? Wait, baka di ko ma-match yung energy niya. And then when I got used to singing the song, kasi syempre, paulit-ulit dapat para magets mo yung gusto mong version of that song. So when I did, I found my tune, I found yung pinaka-vibe na gusto ko. Working with the song naman, Sir Benny was like, oh, this fits you naman. And let's make a good version of the song that's different from sa ginawa ni Miss Ella. And he actually nagulat siya na nakakanta ako kasi the sample video na binigay ko, may sakit pa ako nun. And so, may practice ko po, parang paos and like, parang nakakanta ba yung bata na to? He said to us. And then when he heard it live and he was like, nakakanta pala. So, ayun po.
The fact he sees potential in you is a big deal na, diba, Mia? But how is it working with him, with Sir Benny? And what his advice to you?
Working with him was very smooth. He knew what to give or what should I do to change it and make it better for the song sa mga parts na, kailangan ng adjustments. And the advice he gave to me was like, be humble, and if this doesn't work out, you should just focus on studying. And I guess that is very true, that even if this is what you love, you should still see that studying is always better. Ayun po.
And that's something that's very beautiful to hear, no? Working with someone who's as accomplished as Sir Benny, giving advice to people like Mia. Siyempre, yung advice na ganyan, I'm sure na-inspire ka lalo to do your best in everything na ginagawa mo, no? And totoo naman yung sinabi ni Sir Benny, importante pa rin ang studies ha. Hindi porket na
Yeah.
you're doing music, you should let go of your studies and you should stop studying kasi everything is a learning lesson. And something that we'd also like to learn from you, Mia, is paano nagsimula yung love mo for singing naman?
Yeah.
Mm. Nung bata pa po ako, I love listening to music. My parents played in the car yung mga radio music lang, and it was the old songs, hindi pa yung mga bago-baguhan. And then when we clean the house, they play music so that hindi boring, hindi lang walis-walis yung naririnig, yung mga ganun po. Tapos as I grew up, syempre, you have to find your own music. And so growing up, I listened to songs on my own na. So, yun po, parang nahanap ko na po yung mga gusto ko pong songs.
Yung genre na gusto mo.
Yes po.
Ganun,
Sino yung
no?
mga favorite mong artists?
As of right now, si Leve po. If you know.
Love,
Oh, yeah.
am I right?
Yes
Love,
po.
oh, you're into jazz. Okay, now I get it why you love old songs. The old songs, the
Grabe
classic.
yung inspiration niya.
Wow.
Classic pala.
Old songs, old heart, old soul ka pala, somewhat. Grabe.
Iba yung old heart sila.
Parang sabi ko mali yung lumabas, old heart yun sila. Hindi
Iba-
ka old
iba yung
heart,
old
baby
heart.
girl. Hindi ka old heart. Pero was it the reason na it got you inspired in writing songs ba? Or do you write songs na ba?
I do write songs, yes po. What inspired me wasn't really like Leve, of course. It was more of the situations that had happened to me, bad or good, happy or sad. I wrote songs about them kasi hindi po ako marunong talk about my feelings. So, what I felt during that time, this is how I felt, this is what I'm gonna write about. Ayun po. That's how I write my songs.
At Pia, whenever we interview mga singer-songwriters, sobrang interested kami sa mga process nila kasi sobrang iba yung iba't ibang process ng mga songwriters.
Tinatahak
Kasi
nila.
ako, whenever I start writing songs, through chords, melody muna, then lyrics come in. Pero sa'yo, paano ka nagsisimula mag-start? How do you start writing music?
Anong
that's
proseso mo?
That's a good question kasi po, for me, I start with lyrics. It's not poem-wise. Parang melody and lyrics na po siya. Pero, when it comes to instrumentals, dun po ako mahina. Because as of right now, it's just guitar that I can play. And I haven't caught up with yung mga kanta. So, I'm still stuck with 4 chords na inaral ko dati po. Ayun po.
Pero alam mo,
Pero I mean,
kahit-
yun. Go ahead, Jeremy.
kahit yung 4 chords lang na yun, it's so important just to get the message across.
Yeah.
Kung ano yung
Yes,
nararamdaman mo, kung ano yung nasa puso mo, ang importante is you get the message across kasi as singer-songwriters or singers din, our goal is to storytell. Bring
Yes.
the audience to us, so nakakatuwa din hearing yung process mo na yun. Pero may isa pang question si Sheena para sa'yo.
Yeah, but I want to add on, it's a big deal na that you get to start just with the lyrics, with the melody. Because music is a universal language. So parang kung naparating mo na yung music, yung song na yun through words with the melody, it's already music to our ears. Kaya naman, if in this, kasi sobrang bata mo pa, how old are you?
14 po, I'm 14.
Oh my gosh, baby girl ka nga
14
talaga.
ka pa lang.
Wow! Grabe
Ate
naman.
Sheena ka talaga.
So, ate pala talaga
Ate Sheena
ako
ka
for
talaga.
today's video.
At Tito Jeremy na talaga ako.
Kuya, hindi dito ako yan.
Kuya. O, bumata-bata naman konti.
Buti wala pa dito si Edward.
Edward kasi hello, Edward. Shout out kay Edward. Wala siya eh. Pero speaking of in young age, at a young age, ano ba yung advantage at disadvantage ng pagiging young artist ngayon sa music industry for you?
The advantage is starting young and experiencing things very easily. But the disadvantage of that is, are you mature enough to take in those things? Are you mentally stable enough to take in what people say as criticism? And the disadvantage as well is that when you're young, you don't experience things that adults have, so you can't really compare. But the advantage with that is that a child or a teenager, a young teen, has more of an imagination that most adults don't have now. Ayun po, that's what I think of it.
I love that. I especially love yung nung sinabi mo na it's whether you can it's
Take it in.
whether you can take in the criticism and think of it as a positive way or something to
And
inspire you lalo.
Yes po.
Diba? So
Parang
it's
it's
refreshing to hear, no, Sheena? It's refreshing to
From-
hear especially
from a
someone
young
as-
age.
Yeah, especially to hear from
Yeah.
someone as young as 14 si Mia.
Yeah.
Siyempre, it's
Apaka-matured mo na, baby girl, when it comes to like anong tinatahak mo. Like it's such an honor to get to know an artist who knows what she wants, who knows anong tinatahak niya sa music industry. Kaya good job, Mia. You did a great job.
And
Gusto ko yun.
speaking of knowing what you want, let's talk about yung manifestations mo. Sino yung mga dream collaborations mo?
As of right now, I'd collab with anybody. I'm appreciative of anybody that I would love to collab with. Kahit sino pa man yan, kahit famous o hindi, I'd love to just sing and love music together po. Ayun po.
Aww. Si Edward Barber gusto.
Parang gusto niya din. Musician yun, B. Maniwala ka sa amin, musician yun by
Oo.
heart.
Musician, hindi lang yan, a singer dancer din yan si Edward Barber.
Oo nga, are you planning like to do singing dance ba? Kasi I think you can eh. Speaking of the video, apaka-expressive mo when it comes to like, do you dance ba?
Yes po. Yeah.
Ayun!
Ay, naku, ang daming abangan kay Mia. Kaya
Oo.
Mia, mag-plug ka muna. Invite everyone to listen to your music and to follow you on all social media platforms.
Sige, thank you so much. Hi everyone, Mia Jackson again. You can follow me on my socials, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, myjazz, MYYJAZ. And I hope you guys can listen to my song Pintig by Vinny Saturno. You can listen it on Spotify and YouTube, and you can put it in your stories on other platforms. Ayan po, thank you so much po.
Thank you so much, Mia. Sana magkikita-kita tayo personally sa I Want Asap Studio. But of course, thank you for having your time with us, getting to know you. Thank you so much, Mia.
Thank you so much, Ate.
Yes. Thank you, Mia. And online squadmates, we will see you sa Kapamilya Online Live.
See you.
Bakit nang maramdaman nitong puso na ako'y umiibig sa'yo? Laging hinahanap kahit iniisip na bawat sandaling narito kay lakas nitong pintig ka ba? Ay anong bilis kay hirap itako ng damdamin kapag umiibig. Bakit ba di matalo ng isip pag nararamdaman ang pag-ibig? Bakit di magawang mahitako ang bawat pintig? Sabi ko sa sarili, hindi na, dahil lang minsan sakit tama na. Ngunit heto at hanap ka. Sana ang pag-ibig mo'y laging tapat, ng puso ko'y di mag-isa. Dahil buong buhay ko'y iaalay sa'yo, pag-ibig ko'y ganyan talaga. Kay lakas nitong pintig ka ba ay anong bilis? Kay hirap itago ng damdamin kapag umiibig. Bakit ba di matalo ng isip pag nararamdaman ang pag-ibig? Bakit di magawang mahitako ang bawat pintig? Sabi ko sa sarili, hindi na, dahil lang minsan sa'kin tama na. Ngunit heto at hanap ka. Bakit ba di matalo ng isip pag nararamdaman ang pag-ibig? Bakit di magawang maitako ang bawat pintig? Sabi ko sa sarili, hindi na, dahil lang minsan sa'kin tama na. Ngunit heto at hanap ka. Hanap ka. Hanap ka.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home on my own.